sponsored by Squarespace. Wait, does it not work? Okay.
Thank you so much. I am so resonated with me.
All right. What's up, bud?
What are you doing?
Someone's calling me though. Who's calling me?
What's up, baby?
What up, baby? Say Thursday? Yay! Let's test her out. Not yet. Question is, not fitting over. Oh, there we go. That's something. That's something. I'm just saying that's something. You see? Every time I do this and it like kind of works, it trips me out a little bit. Do the seam backwards. Oh, appreciate it. I'll be done in a second. What's up?
Oh, there you are.
Hey,
What are you doing?
Solon, what are you doing?
I'm just wondering where you live.
Show
What are
you.
you selling?
A teddy bear.
A teddy bear?
You know what do you think about that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mhm.
This is just a prototype. You know what prototype is?
What?
Prototype means you should practice one to make sure that it's gonna work.
After you're done with that, do you wanna make up dances again? That was fun.
Almost fun.
Ready.
Ooh. Okay. Oh man, look how flat. Look how flat his butt is. Distribute a little. Give this boy a dump truck. Boom! Alright, so I just gotta figure out how to sew that back piece up. You gotta glue this stuff bare.
No, don't lick the lid. I put that back on.
What are your thoughts?
Okay.
She was holding like a baby. How do I sew this up? Right here.
I like this one.
Okay, so you're gonna start, and I've got a little knot at the end. Okay, you're gonna stick it, your needle, so it's gonna come out like, so the knot will be on the inside and not show. Just pull it through. So the one that you left a little bit of edge here, that's tucked in, and then I'm gonna take it so it's like in the fold. See how it's in the fold right there? And then right directly across, I'll take just a little teeny stitch. And right across from that teeny stitch, I'm gonna go up in the fold. You kind of want them not too big.
Okay.
So there's my little catch, and then I just go right, just a little stitch in the fold. Great. A little hug from my boy.
Cute.
The ringer, my boy.
The ring.
So I'm just gonna do a couple little knots right there to secure it. Take my needle and just do it underneath. Go through. Give a little cut, then your tail stays inside. But I don't like that right there. I didn't pull it tight enough.
It's okay.
But
Thanks, Mama.
Chanel.
The line I cut out, sure. Woo! It is 6 in the morning, 6:30. I have the pieces of the bear all put together, like the arm, half the head. I just need to sew them together to make the whole piece. Ha! But I need to take a nap. And by nap, I mean I need to go to sleep. I need to get some shut-eye. Before I do that, huge thank you to today's sponsor, Squarespace. If you haven't heard me talk about Squarespace, where have you been? What? The longest relationship of my life. It's fine, we're fine, but Squarespace is your one-stop shop for all things website. No matter what you do, you should get a website. I hate the word should, but you should get a website. And they run on Fluid Engine, which is a website building system that makes it so easy and quick. Everything's drag and drop and customizable. And on that, they have templates, which also you can like fit and change to match your voice, your brand, but also make it so easy so that you can have a website up and running in minutes. I think that's why I love them so much is I can literally like come up with one idea. Like let's say I want to start selling some leather bears. I can just take a picture and literally have a online shop to sell them. I don't have to worry about like downloading any like outside apps or anything or blah blah blah. You can just have it going. Whatever you do, whatever idea, it deserves a website. You deserve a website. You can actually make one today by going to the link in my description. And no credit card needed, but when you do decide to purchase it, launch it, buy a domain, don't forget the coupon code SHMOOT to get 10% off your first purchase. Cool. I'm going to bed.
Let's not forget. Given this, Jones knew how to use to sell monkeys for cash.
Kind of going off pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, I love it. I actually love it though. It's cute. Loki, really excited how this is turning out. Got the back all stitched on. Got his little body. He's missing his arm, but it's nighttime again, and I'm tired. So, I'm gonna, we're doing another part. Boo, 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 boo. Where I'll put this together and put the resin bear inside. So can't wait to see ya. Love you, bye. 9:20. Cool. Alright, so be sure to like and subscribe. go ahead and hit that bell notification. And yeah.